Greetings everyone. Welcome to this Engineering Design Challenge learning session. Today's challenge is a balloon zipline design challenge. Before you begin with this challenge, let's look at some of the science happening within it. In the zipline challenge, you'll be seeing the concept of energy in action. So what do we mean by energy? Energy is invisible. You can't see it, but you can see its results. Energy is the ability to do work or the product of applying a force to an object. So, a balloon moving along a zip line requires energy. There are several types of energy, such as potential, kinetic, thermal, electrical, and chemical. In today's challenge, you'll be seeing kinetic energy in action. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. So to move a balloon along a zip line, that will require some type of force to make it move. Applying a force to the balloon will result in work. Once that work has been completed, then the balloon has used kinetic energy to move along the zip line. Now it's time to see kinetic energy in action. As you create and test a balloon zip line, consider the following questions. What type of force will you use to release kinetic energy? Do you think the amount of air inside the balloon will help determine how far or how fast the balloon will travel? What role does energy play? And now, on with the challenge.